Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do the mini block crochet stitch pattern. This one is super easy. The only thing you need to know how to do is a single crochet, which you can find how to do that in the description below if you need help. I just love how stretchy this pattern ends up being. So to get started, you want to do multiples of 4 plus 3. Now once you have your multiples of 4 plus 3, you want to chain 5, and in the 6th chain from the hook, you're going to want to do your first single crochet. Followed by another single crochet. We're going to chain 2, skip 2, single crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1, 2, chain 2, skip 2, 2 single crochets, chain 2, skip 2, 2 single crochets, and chain 2, skip 2, and 1 single crochet. Alright, and that's pretty much the stitch you'll be doing through this whole pattern. So to get started for our next one, we're going to chain 1, skip 1, and we're going to do 2 single crochets in the chain 2 space. Then we're going to chain 2, skip 2, and do 2 single crochets in the chain 2 space. Single crochet, chain 2, single crochet in the next 2 spaces. The next 2 chain spaces, my apologies. Chain 2, and single crochet in the chain 2 spaces. Alright, and there you have it. That is the end of row 2. So row 3, we chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we will do 2 single crochets in the chain 2 space. Chain 2, 2 single crochets in the chain 2 space, and we repeat this to the end of the row, and you will always continue to repeat rows 2 and 3. So chain 2, 2 single crochets in the chain 2 space, and at the end we chain 2 and we single crochet in the last stitch. And there you have it. That's how you do the mini block pattern. Just a whole bunch of repeats of the chain 2, skip 2, 2 single crochets. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.